Saying goodbye to Old Fort City and going to our new hotel. Good that we are not too big. Oh. We came to our new hotel. Yeah, this hotel definitely better than our previous one. Thank you.
Number 1.
Dallavella Beach.
How do you spell it?
Dallavella.
Dallavella. Okay.
Yeah.
We need to go to Dallavella. There is a sea turtle farm. You want to go here?
It's Pongal.
Yeah.
It could be fun. Still fishing.
This same
Tea plantation. Is it far?
No, in not far, like 35 40 kilometers.
Yeah, but tree plantation I'm not,
Surfing,
not
no.
excited about.
Whale watching in Mirissa. It's in Mirissa.
Okay, Mirissa we have a...
Galle is closed now. Now to National Park. Silk Factory. So we will check after, we'll decide where we want to go. Mask Museum, no. Sea turtle hatching. River safari. Oh, river safari, interesting. Never heard about it. What a view.
Yeah, this is more like it. Come on.
Oh yeah, this is not. What was the name of that place?
New Poverty Home. That was the name.
Let's check washroom.
It's like a storage.
Oh, what a big washroom.
Yeah.
So it's like our previous room.
Yes.
Okay, toilet.
Didn't like it that.
Shower.
Perfect. Perfect. Yes. Now I'm gonna be ready.
Very interesting. They have a wardrobe in the washroom. So
Okay,
small.
don't put it on me, okay? I don't like crabs on myself. Where do you want to go?
He's coming out.
So therapeutic. You walk barefoot. Hey, there is a shack. Let's go to that restaurant and eat there.
Let's check. Luuma cafe. It has good reviews and can sit next to beach. Very close to ocean. What a beautiful ending of this beautiful day. So here is a menu. Menu is not big, but I think you can find something for yourself. Prices, I would say average. Same like in all touristic destinations. This is a menu with drinks. Do you see this crab? There are like thousands of them under those trees. Our red sniper with garlic rice and salad. And it's a beautiful ending of amazing day. Do you see what a beautiful view we have from our room? Indian Ocean, baby. And Cyril's very happy. Cyril, say how happy you are.
I'm very happy to be here working in a nice environment.
And we have amazing breakfast here. See, even so many different toppings. Different cheese and salads. Egg station, Western food, rice, vegetable and egg noodles, roast potatoes, scrambled egg, boiled egg. So let's check what Indian food you can find here. The curd rice, green gram, poha, traditional Indian breakfast, aloo masala, shur idli, sambar, cornet for those who likes sweets, rangula, boot apple jam. No need to try. Beautiful, healthy breakfast.
Trump has delayed the tariffs now.
This is a great view. Sarel, how do you like your breakfast?
Very good variety. This is a nice breakfast. Lots of different options. Western, Indian, Sri Lankan. Food quality is nice. Really good place.
And next to pool you can find Sri Lanka's traditional dishes. Dal curry, chicken curry, fish, milk rice. Play table tennis here. Also they have a schedule for different activities during the day. This bus is driving like crazy. It's impossible to walk in Sri Lanka because there is no walkway. This is like the widest walkway we found. So yeah, better use tuk-tuk. Roads are not made for pedestrians. Don't try to walk here, you won't like it. Finally reached our destination. Natural silk. Ooh. So here you can have a little short tour and buy some silk clothes. Yeah. Silk tie, so many designs.
Excuse me.
Look, very nice clothes. I can check prices. 27,900. Oh, very soft, pure silk.
Come.
They have male and female butterfly. They join together to take like these. Those are the eggs. And 6-7 days they come in as a baby caterpillar like this.
After 6-7
then they
days.
continue eating for the mulberry. 24 days, 30 days like this.
Oh, just after 1 month.
Yeah, and come in bigger 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and stop eating. They are going to make a cocoon like this.
Why are they not flying away?
No, they can't fly. The body part is
too fat.
heavy than for the wings. Then they can't fly like this.
cocoons.
Yeah, they make a cocoon like this. And caterpillar change for the pupa, pupa change for the butterfly. They make a hole like this, come out as a butterfly. Then again circle start. 1.5 month, maximum 2 months, life cycle going on.
So life circle is 2 months maximum.
Yeah, maximum. Then we got the minimum 2 cocoons together, twice and spread out like this. You can feel it.
And then
One big cocoon have 800 meters and 1 kilometer for the thread.
1 kilometer in this one
in
piece.
one big cocoon. I show you for that. We are going to run here for the 800 meters. Like this.
So check this out.
Yeah.
We can't even see the thread, obviously.
Did you, right?
Oh,
You
no.
can see very fine thin thread.
Yeah, it's so thin. Very, very thin.
Yeah, I can see with my specs. It's a manual process. Does not burn, either it burns, yeah?
Burn.
What doesn't smell?
It
Yeah.
has like flesh, obviously, like as hair.
Like hair, yeah.
Yeah, and ash also.
Yeah.
Powder. Authentic and synthetic, it smells plastic, PVC, right? But before burn, you can feel it. It's very soft and smooth. This is very nice.
Thank you. Shorts, very light. Scarves, natural silk. Oh, so soft, so soft. So soft.
Looks
Look
like
at this.
high-style dress.
Yeah, very interesting. And the price is 39.
I think here it is. See?
Everything is very good quality. Beautiful scarves. We got our natural silk. A very happy person I am. Beautiful beach, but unfortunately here it's not allowed to swim. Ooh, that's why we are not swimming here. And we are waiting for a sunset.
I'm nearly done with that. 5 more minutes. 3, 4, 5.
These are local fishermen boats. Always notice what is written down. 10% service charge and government taxes will be added to the price. Also have spaghetti, noodles, rice, soft drinks. We like Radisson Blu very much. Very good 4-star hotel. Have no complaints at all. Only that we couldn't swim. Okay, we will miss this place, but now it's time to go to Mirissa, and maybe we will see even whales there, the biggest mammals on the earth.
4,854 for the ride to Palace Mirissa.
Yeah, it's 1 hour 10 minutes ride. Cars are very small here.
Yeah, perfect. We got it.
See, they can't fit 2 suitcases.